Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the delicious world of Lebanese cuisine and uncover some lesser-known facts about a mouthwatering treat called Sambousek Lahme. If you're a food lover or simply curious about international dishes, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right in. The origin of Sambousek Lahme. Our first fact takes us to the origins of Sambousek Lahme. This savory pastry actually hails from Lebanon and is an integral part of Lebanese cuisine. The term, sambousek, itself is derived from the Arabic word, sambousek, which means, a small, triangular pie. Unique ingredients. Sambousek Lahme is unique in its ingredients. While traditional sambousek is made with savory fillings like meat, cheese, or vegetables, Sambousek Lahme is made with a special blend of herbs and spices, which give it its distinct flavor. The lamb, in its name means moments, in Arabic, and these moments are packed with taste. Variations in filling. One fascinating aspect of Sambousek Lahme is the variety of fillings you can find. It can contain a mixture of parsley, mint, onion, sumac, and other seasonings. Some variations even include pomegranate molasses for a sweet and tangy twist. The versatility of this dish is truly remarkable. Sambousek Lahme in Lebanese culture. Sambousek Lahme isn't just a tasty treat. It's deeply rooted in Lebanese culture. This dish is commonly served during special occasions and celebrations. In Lebanon, it's a symbol of hospitality, and people often share it with guests as a gesture of welcome. The perfect pairing. One fascinating fact about Sambousek Lahme is its perfect pairing. It's often served with a cup of Lebanese tea, making for a delightful combination of flavors. The tea complements the herbs and spices in the pastry, creating a balanced and delicious experience. The art of folding. Now, let's talk about the art of folding Sambousek Lahme. This dish is typically made by folding the dough into small triangular shapes, which is not only visually appealing but also functional. The folding technique not only gives it its iconic look but also helps the pastry retain its shape while baking. Sambousek Lahme variations. Variations of Sambousek Lahme can be found not only in different regions of Lebanon but also in neighboring countries like Syria and Jordan. These variations may incorporate local flavors and ingredients, making each version unique to its region. It's a testament to the culinary diversity of the Middle East. Sambousek Lahme in Lebanese street food. One fascinating aspect of Sambousek Lahme is its presence in Lebanese street food culture. You can often find street vendors and small food stalls in Lebanon selling freshly made Sambousek Lahme. It's a quick and delicious snack for people on the go. Homemade Sambousek Lahme. While you can easily find Sambousek Lahme in Lebanese eateries, it's also a popular choice for homemade cooking. Many Lebanese families have their own cherished family recipes and variations. It's a beloved tradition to prepare Sambousek Lahme at home, especially during holidays and family gatherings. The perfect party snack. Whether you're hosting a party or attending one, Sambousek Lahme is the perfect party snack. Its bite-sized nature and delectable flavor make it a hit at gatherings. It's not uncommon for a plate of Sambousek Lahme to disappear within minutes, leaving guests wanting more. Regional twists on Sambousek Lahme. Another intriguing aspect of Sambousek Lahme is how it varies within Lebanon itself. Different regions of Lebanon have their own unique twists on this dish. For example, in northern Lebanon, you might find Sambousek Lahme with a stronger emphasis on herbs like mint and a zestier filling, while in southern Lebanon, it might be prepared with slightly different seasonings. Nutritional benefits. Sambousek Lahme isn't just delicious, it also has some nutritional benefits. Thanks to the abundance of fresh herbs, it's packed with vitamins and minerals. Parsley and mint, common ingredients in Sambousek Lahme, provide a healthy dose of vitamins A, C, and K, as well as essential minerals like iron and calcium. And there you have it, some lesser-known facts about the delightful Lebanese Sambousek Lahme. If you ever have the chance to try this mouth-watering dish, don't hesitate, it's an experience you won't forget. Have you ever tried Sambousek Lahme or any other Lebanese dishes? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious food explorations. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.